Sad day, y'all. Sad day in DFW. People been sending me this inappropriate picture. The way this man bent over, looked back at that camera and arched his back in a 45-degree angle. The way this man looked back at that camera, DFW will never be the same again. God bless Fort Worth. Don't get it twisted though. Whatever y'all think, this man still can fight. He still can fight. I don't know the situation. I don't know. I just know somebody sending me a picture of a man bent over, spreading his cheeks, and put a scar on DFW for life. God bless Fort Worth. God bless America.